I love this trick. The reason why is because I call this the game of skate annihilator, the game of skate slayer. You're playing a game of skate, you bust out all 4 of these bad boys, you got S, K, A, T, and then you need one more letter and they're done for. Some people just don't do double flips. The reason why is I think because they look stupid. Look stupid, feel stupid, however you want to say it. They're not like cool, but in a game of skate, they are deadly. So I love this trick. I'm gonna try and do all 4 variations. Regular double, fakie double, nollie double, switch double. All of those were singles. I don't know why I said double, but here we go. Double, double, oil and trouble. And I think I'm gonna try and do it in this sort of general vicinity. I'll be very surprised if by the end of this video I still have this hoodie on. I hope this switch double flip doesn't give me a nightmare of a time. I'm gonna start out by warming up with a single kickflip. What in the worst kickflip I've ever done? Wow, I need to go back to kickflip school. Okay, leave it in the comments below. How many tries does the first double flip take me? That was a better kickflip. Also, when I do kickflip, my foot's like right here, below those back bolts, and I try to flick it in such a way where the board is very instinctually flipping up into my back foot. When I do double flip, I don't do it like that. Okay, leave it in the comments below right now. How many tries double flip? This is try number 1. Front foot a little bit further back. First try. Shut up, Derek. Shut up, Derek.
Clean too.
Clean, huh? One next, fakie double flip. Should I do a regular double? I mean regular flip to get it set up or straight to double?
Regular.
Regular. Derek's calling me out on the regular fakie flip. So that's a regular. Fakie double is a game of skate slayer, I'm telling you. People drop. Especially in a game of skate, you land a regular double and they don't land it, you know they got a double flip weakness instantly. You get 4 letters just there. Telling you guys how to win. I'm just telling you how to win. Not that I'm the best at game of skate. I'm kind of the worst, but we can improve, right? 2 tries in on fakie. Please, Aaron, do this. Do your thing. Okay, I literally kicked the board, it was spinning, and then my front foot hit it. Don't get your front foot out of the way, Aaron. Also, talking to yourself when you're skateboarding, it can be helpful. I have to do a single one where I'm like, oh, that's how you flip it again. I forgot how to ride fakie. It's kind of there, kind of not. All right, let's land it. Right here, first try. Or I think we're on try number 4, maybe. It's like in the Gladiator. Rebate, run it back. I just realized I broke my left foot and I'm gonna try a nollie double flip. I don't know if this is gonna work. We're gonna land fakie first. I'm doing these in the order from easiest to hardest as well. That's spun twice, right? I think this is try number 5. I mean, I landed, it definitely counts, but boy, did that look ugly. Am I wrong? That's why people hate double flips. They just look, they're not looking. That was Hunchback of Notre Dame style. That's better, I'll take it. The next easiest one for me, honestly, is nollie double. But Aaron, why is regular double easier than fakie, but then nollie would be easier than switch? I don't know. Why does Taco Bell sell a Baja Blast pie? Great question. Let's start with a nollie single, which just hurt my ankle. Don't be a baby, Aaron. There's no babies. No babies in skateboarding. No criers. Okay, right here. No thought for my bodily health. It's totally fine. Although for some weird reason, right here in my ankle, it does feel like, oh, what's that pain? Okay, nollie flip, very similar. Pop it, flick right there. Nollie double flip, ease it back, or the foot further back gives you extra kick. It's all about the power of your flick. I'm doing one more single before I start in on the doubles. Hey, that felt good. Skateboarding's such a repetition process, I swear. Okay, nollie double flip right here, first try. I'm gonna need a wager on this, Derek.
Take it IHOP.
IHOP?
Yeah.
I love me some IHOP. I love it even more with Derek. I knew I had that. You know what was tripping me out? Stupidest thing ever? The cracks. There's no reason to trip out over those cracks. Try number 1, and honestly, it's feeling pretty confident. That's more of a practice attempt, but I will say try number 2. Okay, stop being a baby, Aaron. Land a nollie double flip right now. Nollie flip, I was thinking nollie double was here, but I actually put it about there, and that worked better. So I was getting it was too rocket, so I'm easing it off. So right here, I got the foot position. I'm gonna commit, I'm gonna land it. Nollie double flip, we got this. Derek, what was that? Tell me.
Right now?
Yeah, right now.
You're practice stepping. We don't want that right now.
What do you
did
want?
That already. We want the land.
You want the land?
We want the land, but you can't do it.
You what? You said what? Ah! Sorry. Oh, this is mind melting my brain. I can do this. We're not even to the switch one yet. Okay, Aaron, do not freak out. I was thinking in my head, land it and snap your board. Land it and snap your board. And then I just kept thinking, you have a whole day left to skate. You're not gonna snap your board. Please don't do that. I'm not gonna break you. I love you. You're my favorite skateboard ever. We got this. Punch me in the face right now for all the people in the internet. Thank you. Stop. Collaborate and listen. Ice is back with a brand new. Did I curse myself? I'm blaming everything. I'm blaming the hoodie, the sun, now it's hot. This mic is in my pocket. There are no excuses. Let's land it. Nollie double flip. Why, Aaron? Yeah. I could do this, right? You said I can do it. Why? So I'm being a wussy. Okay, that's it. Stop it. I think there's something with my front foot that's wrong. That's why. It's like I keep putting it there. Like I'm not doing a heel flip. I don't know why I'm in the pocket. I think I need to have it more just straight up. But normally I never would think about my front foot. I don't know why I'm doing that. It's freaking me out today. Okay, Nollie dubs. 1.5 is not 2. Remember what I said at the beginning of the video, Derek?
I'll be very surprised if by the end of this video I still have this hoodie on.
What's happening?
Snake leg, snake leg.
Find me in the club, bottle full of bubbly.
All right, you land this one, we'll go to the club. And SF, bottle service.
Bottle service. I don't know what that means, but it sounds stanky leg. Derek knows I don't drink. That's maybe why he said bottle service. Right here for Derek in the club. No! How? You know I had that. That sucked. There's nothing worse than landing on your truck. That hurt my ankle and I need my ankle to flick this stupid trick. What do I do, Derek?
Just gotta land it.
Land it. You know who my new favorite person on the internet is? David Goggins.
David Goggins.
You know who that is?
Of course. Stay hard.
Stay hard. Stay hard. That's it right here, David Goggins. Stay hard. I keep blaming the ground. Why am I doing that? The ground is not making me not land this stupid trick. It's not a stupid trick, it's a good trick. There's a point when you're learning any skateboard trick, and I'm not even learning this one. I've done it many times, first try in games of skate. What am I doing? Getting in my head, out of my head, to this board, land the Nollie double flip. Right here. That's it, that's all it is. Let's go. Maybe I just don't have it in me today, Derek.
You land this one, I'll get you a personalized David Goggins cameo.
Serious? He's gotta be on there. No! Normally I wouldn't do this, but maybe I should try some switch ones. Switch one is generally the harder one for me. I should have wore the slip-ons. For some reason the double flips are easier in the slip-ons. Why am I just duffing it today? Okay, hat forward. Let's go. I'm just like not flicking. Blame it on the broken foot. Blame it on being off your skateboard for 6 months or whatever it was. Blame, blame, blame. None of those are real. You can land it. Stop making excuses. Breathe. Remember, this is the trick. You love it. I don't take a rain check, right? Okay, Aaron, stop thinking you can't land it. Right here, intend to land it. Now I know why people hate this in a game of skate. If I land the Nollie flip right here, I'll call it a video. In the next 5 tries, right here, I'm landing this, no matter what. I need to do like road to my flick back. I guess I need to do my exercises that the doctor told me to do. The doctor was right. I need to get my flick back. That was it. I've gotten into a bad practice step habit. I'm flicking down, and now I've like worn my muscle memory into that, and I need to break that. I'm a never give up guy. I'm not giving up on this. I gotta land this. I know I said at the beginning of the video I was gonna do Nollie and switch. Am I giving up on switch? Maybe, for today. That doesn't mean this is long term. I saw it. It was right there, Derek. I had it right there. That's it. I'm landing it right now. What'd you say? I'm sorry, what was that?
Can't do it.
I heard you. I heard you. I wanted that. My ankle is so beat. But this is good. This is actually what it needs to get its flick back. You have to work it out. I gotta do them exercises and I haven't been.
Gotta be careful. Doctor might want you back on the hokas.
Doctor will put me back on the hokas. Okay, right here for the doc and the hokas. Why? Sometimes I just have the worst pop. It is my pop, I know that. Okay, right here, that's it. It's the timing. Flick a little later, Aaron. If I land it right here, Hoka's sponsoring me. Baila tu cuera para alegría Macarena. Pop it, flick it, pray, land. I didn't do any of the steps, seriously. We're gonna land it. This is what skateboarding is. It's pushing through your mental, physical barriers to land something that you must land because you said you would. Do it. Okay, another thing that I haven't done yet, I need to visualize what it looks and feels like. Pop, flick, land. I've done this so many times, I know what it's like. I can do it, you can do it too, no matter what trick you're struggling on. This one right here is for every single one of you guys. Whether you're trying to learn how to ollie, pop shove it, front shove, anything, you got this. The birds, it was the birds, blame the birds. Birds. Freedom! My ankle hurts, but it doesn't hurt so bad. I don't think I can land it. Stop giving excuses and just land it. My singing career is not going well, by the way. Follow me on Spotify. Probably not gonna be on your Spotify Wrapped in 2025. Maybe 2026 though. Oh, I had that. Right here for you. Okay, okay. You said if you practice it enough, I know you can do it. Okay, let's go. Okay, right here for you. That's right. Gotta believe in yourself. That took way too bloody long. I'm not doing two to make it true. We're gonna take it. Sorry I didn't get to the switch double. We'll save that for another video. My ankle is toasty, but it feels good because it's actually getting worked out to a point where I feel like, oh, the muscles are moving. Something's coming alive in there. And instead of just not using it all and doing tricks to avoid it, we did it. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love skateboarding. You love skateboarding. Let's get out there, ride skateboards, and have an absolute blast. If you are looking to get into skateboarding, we got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com. Beginner, intermediate, advanced, we got everything you need. Let's go and improve our skateboarding.